Hi, I'm Apurva from ClearTax. Since you're watching my video, that means you would like to save income tax on capital gains arising from the sale of agricultural land. Well, there are a few cases where the capital gains arising from the sale of agricultural land is exempt from income tax, or it may not be taxed under the head capital gains at all in the first place. These cases are: agricultural land in a rural area in India is not considered as a capital asset. Therefore, any gains from the sale of such land is not considered under the head capital gains. Check our page on capital gains to know the exact definition of what falls under capital gains. The link for the page is provided in the description. Do you hold agricultural land as stock in trade? If you are into buying and selling land regularly or in the course of your business, gains arising from its sale are taxed under the head Business and Profession. Under Section 10, Subsection 37 of the Income Tax Act, capital gains on compensation received under compulsory acquisition of urban agricultural land is exempt from tax. If none of the above criteria are met, then you must meet one of the following criteria to claim exemption on capital gains under Section 54B. The exemption is available to an individual or a HUF, that is Hindu undivided family. The land being sold must be used for agricultural purposes by the individual or his parents or the Hindu undivided family for a period of 2 years immediately before the date of transfer. Another land must be purchased for agricultural purposes within a period of 2 years from the date of transfer of this land. The new agricultural land which was purchased to claim exemption on capital gains should not be sold within a period of 3 years from the date of its purchase. In case you are not able to purchase another agricultural land before the date of filing your income tax returns, you can claim the exemption by depositing the capital gains under the Capital Gains Account Scheme 1988. The gains must be deposited in any branch except for a rural branch of a public sector bank or IDBI bank in a deposit account as per Capital Gains Account Scheme 1988 before the due date for filing IT returns. The exemption can be claimed for the amount deposited. If the amount deposited under Capital Gains Account Scheme was not used for purchasing agricultural land, it shall be considered as capital gains for the year in which the period of 2 years from the date of sale of the land expires. You can then withdraw the sum for any purpose. Here is what you must know about the amount of exemption. If the cost of the new agricultural land purchased is greater than the capital gains, then the entire capital gains amount is exempt from tax. On the other hand, if the cost of the new agricultural land purchased is less than the amount of capital gains, then the capital gain chargeable to tax is equal to capital gains minus the cost of new agricultural land. Note that receiving property on inheritance or as a gift is not taxable for the receiver. When the inheritor or the receiver of the gift of property sells it, capital gains arising from the sale is taxable for the inheritor or the receiver. I hope the video was informative. Please check the links provided in the description for more information on different aspects of capital gains. Also, use our calculator page for easy and accurate calculation of capital gains from your capital assets. Do file income tax returns on our ClearTax platform to complete the process in just 7 minutes. Thank you.